Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials and initializing the reaction deliberately. You attach the blue eye artifact to the mount, then connect the white destiny catalyst cable. This aligns polarity and removes jitter. Once done, power the calibration wand and run a quick diagnostics to confirm 3 green indicators. If any read amber, adjust the connector seating and repeat. Make sure to keep movement slow and steady so alignment remains precise and predictable for the next phase. Now you perform the detailed coupling that creates the effect. You set the blue eye at 12 degrees tilt and begin a controlled 5-7 second contact while feeding white destiny in a 2-pass technique. The first pass deposits bulk material, and the second pass refines contact and removes microgaps. As you do this, watch the stability percent climb. If it stalls, pause, retract slightly, and reapply with a softer pressure. This method ensures maximal surface contact and prevents thermal hotspots that cause failure. To finish, you begin the activation sequence and remain attentive. Press start and hold for 3 seconds until the green pulse confirms synchronization, and then immediately secure the retention clip to lock geometry. Once secured, cool the assembly for 120 seconds to stabilize bonds before running the final performance test. If the system fails at test, stop and inspect the connector and seating first. Realign the tilt by 2 degrees, then retry. If issues persist, swap the white destiny catalyst and repeat the core alignment steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.